For homework, you really only had to do the odd numbers. But I've had a few requests for this one, and I thought, wow, it's a great question. And I thought, yeah, let's just do it. This is awesome stuff. All right. So first of all, we want to make x a subject, and we're going to start by getting rid of the denominator. So I'm going to extend the vinculum out here. I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 4. Here we go, and of course, x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 is 1, leaving me with 2x plus 1 on the right. And on the side here, we've really got a bit of a quadratic, but we've only got an x and a y, so it's not really going to be a quadratic in the traditional sense. But x times 4y, well, let's expand this out. It's going to be 4xy. Negative 4 times 3 is going to be positive 12. Negative 4 times 4y is going to be negative 16y. I'm going to squeeze a little bit more in here. I got x times negative 3 is going to be minus 3x. Okay, well, that all works out well. Now we can go ahead and start removing the y's and placing them on the right side, and the other numbers as well, and all the x's, see if we can migrate them all to the left side. So let's see what we can do here. My first job here, well, let's get rid of 16y. So I'm going to add 16y to the negative 16y, add 16y to both sides, and of course gets rid of that bit there. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides, and that works well. We've got rid of that. I'm also going to subtract 2x from both sides, so I'm going to put a minus 2x here, and that 2x disappears from over here. And now I'm pretty much all set to go to the next step. So I've got a 4xy. Let's tidy this up. I've got a minus 3x minus 2x is going to be minus 5x is equal to, now I've got a 1 and a minus 12, which is going to be minus 11. So I've got 16y minus 11. It's gone out of focus. Go back into focus. Good. All right, so I've got my y, all my x's on this side now, and a pesky y in between, but that's okay. So let's factorize this. What is common to this and this? Well, x is common. I put x outside the bracket. So what times x makes 4xy? Well, 4y does. What times x makes negative 5x would be negative 5. So I've got a 16y minus 16y minus 11. So now if we divide both sides by 4y minus 5, divide by 4y minus 5, well, 4y minus 5 divided by 4y minus 5 is 1. And 1 times x will be x. So now I'm left with 16y minus 11 on 4y minus 5. And that is my solution.